Okay guys, I want to show you where I hide all my nerf guns at. Here's one hiding place. Sorry, there's some light in there. See?
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me deliver to my room? Please, you don't shave your legs for 1 month and suddenly you're a sir. I haven't even looked at your legs yet.
Wait a second.
I would still hide the bite-sized kids. Aren't there supposed to be 4 of you? Our brother is obsessed with his summer school. Probably because he can't spell either of it. Check clear, don't care. Sign in with my niece.
Here's...
Hazel, these are the Rockets. I met your parents right here when we were 16. Your dad was a stone cold fox. But it's on the whole life without me over there.
let me show you what this script does.
Going in my body, including my artificial hip. I love your father, but you're
This
more
button.
plus the title of best counselor and any chance I ever had at having a happy life. No offense, but you guys are the worst welcoming committee ever. Note to self, start taking a skate tunnel tonight. By the way, phones aren't allowed at camp. Hand it over. No! Back off!
That's what it does. So... Oh, check out I got iPhone 7. It's right here. Still phone's kind of weird. So... Well, tomorrow. See ya. Oh. Sweet Mustang. Yeah. See ya. Make sure you comment below. Subscribe. If you got any hands for your nerf phone, subscribe below. Peace out. This is Jamie. This is called Nerf House. Actually, I'm making up the name. Next video, I'll make up the name. See ya.